What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So earlier today I posted a video of Home Depot's special buys of the day, and they were mostly power tools in that video. I wanted to do a separate video and do the hand tools. So if you guys are interested in the power tools, I'll post a link at the end of this video. Just click on that link and you can check out all these power tools. But for this one, we're going to check out the hand tools. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First up, we got the Dewalt Mechanics tool set. This is a 226 piece tool set, part of the Tough system. 226 pieces with this tool set. You get the Tough box there. $159 for this one. This one was $249, so you're saving $90 on this one. So it's going to come with a bunch of tools. You get 43 1/4 inch, 46 3/8, 55 specialty bits, 28 hex bits, 42 1/2 inch drive tool, 8 combination wrenches, and then 4 specialty tools. So a little bit of everything with this one for $159. Here's a MIlwaukee 10-piece, 1,000 volt insulated screwdriver set, and you'll get the 6-in-1 strippers. Looks like it comes with a nice zipper case here for $139. This was $174. And then over here we got the Ryobi 24-piece router bit set. It's going to come in a nice little carry case here for $54.97. They got the Husky 10-gallon portable electric air compressor with an extra value kit. So it looks like you're going to get the ratchet and the wrench here with it for $178.50. This is going to be 135 max PSI compressor, 1.5 horsepower. So that's what it looks like. Nice compact compressor there for $178. Next, we got another Dewalt tool set here. This is a 3/8 inch drive socket set with the Tough system tray. This is a 37-piece here, $48.99. This was $79.97 for savings of $30.98. Here's the MIlwaukee 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive mechanics tool set. A total of 153 pieces with this one. So you're getting all 3 kits here, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. $375 for this one. Here's a MIlwaukee 106 piece. This is just going to be a 3/8 inch and the 1/4 inch drive. It's going to be your SAE and metric. $199 for this one. And here we got the MIlwaukee 3/8 inch drive mechanics tool set. This is a 56 piece you're going to get with this one. And then you're also going to get a 6-piece MIlwaukee screwdriver set for $124. All right, next up we got the 3/8 inch mechanic tool set with the 3/8 inch impact socket set. 99 pieces here for $229. Here's a MIlwaukee 66-piece set. Looks like you're going to get a 10-piece screwdriver set with this one. And then that's what your 56-piece mechanics toolkit's going to look like. Be able to pick this one up for $144. So here's another 3/8 inch drive mechanic tool set here. This is a 66-piece total for $179, but this one's going to come with the pick set and the pry bar set for $179. And here's another 3/8 inch 66-piece, but instead of the pry bar set, they're going to throw in the hook and pick set, and then they're going to throw in the screwdriver set. So a total of 66 pieces on this one. You get the 56-piece 3/8 inch drive socket set here. Be able to pick all this up for $144. Here's Milwaukee's spade bit set, 13-piece here for $20.97. It says it was $69.99. And over here we got the Milwaukee Speed Feed auger bit set with the switchblade plumber's kit. It's a 9-piece for $179. Next up we got the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty screwdriver bit set. This is a 170-piece set here for $89.97. And then we also got the Big Hog carbide hole saw kit with the Speed Feed auger drill bit set, 14-piece total here for $155. Here we got the Milwaukee hole dozer. This is going to be a 15-piece bimetal hole saw kit for $109. And then over here we got the Milwaukee torque locking pliers with the screwdriver set, 16-piece total here for $119. Next to that we got the Milwaukee 4 3/4 inch cutting pliers, and the 4-piece hook and pick set, 5-piece total here for $20.97. And then all the way to the right, we got the MIlwaukee Fastback 3-inch 5-in-1 folding knife and the Fastback folding utility knife set, 3-piece here. So you get the knife and you get the utility knives for $31.97. Here we got the MIlwaukee Fastback utility knives and the 25-foot compact tape measure, 3-piece here for $26.97. And then next to that, we got the Ryobi multi-purpose reciprocating saw blade, 35-piece for $29.97. Here we got the Ryobi 16-piece multi-tool blade accessory set, and then it's going to come with the 4-piece wood multi-tool blade set for $39. And then over here, we got the Husky 244-piece mechanic tool set for $149, coming in this hard case. Here's everything you're gonna get with it. You get 3 ratchets. You get your 1/4 inch, your 3/8, and your 1/2 inch. 76 standard sockets, 36 deep sockets. You get 28 specialty sockets, 7 adapters, 13 wrenches, and 81 of their other tools. So that's gonna be like your specialty tools, your screwdriver bits, and then your Allen wrenches. Be able to pick this up for $149. Next up, we got the Porta-Cable 6-gallon 150 psi pancake compressor. This is going to come with the 18 gauge brad nails, 1,000 per box for $129. And then they got the Crescent 4-inch adjustable wrench here for $9.97. All right, guys, so that's the hand tools for the special buy of the day. Hopefully you found the video useful. Like I said, if you guys are interested in also seeing the power tools that were the special buy for the day, I'll post a link in the description box and also at the end of this video. Go ahead and click on that video if you want to check out all these power tools. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button. Hit that subscription bell if you're not subscribed. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.